Happy Sunday from my end. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. As you are joining, can we read this Sunday morning? Tio Kuono. Can we read that Sunday? Tiga Tio Kuono. Kita onye obana whatever. They posted a video on my page, my wife. People now want to hear the video. But then I say because na Akwa Okuko attended your wedding. Now you have a Jpac today to see in support of Akwa. I'm not going to make that video analyze. Let us just analyze that video. Apartment. Let us just analyze that video. Number one, who's 3 points to consider? I go tell and say, nah, this is the way you do. I know you don't follow. Number one question, I'm sure I draw that very video. You with 3 million naira, 3 million. You with 3 million naira. We're a native doctor, native doctor. Oh, where go? You want to say $30 million. In this hard time, in this terrible regime, you with 3 million, 3M. Look at this. That over one woman, she can learn 200,000 off for last 2 years. And but she can learn that 200,000. That 200,000 that woman, all their can be 2 million because that 200,000 can go a long way. And it's okay. Do I have to stop? Problem I didn't want to about. Can I say no? Onye cool down go ọrụ onye cool down go na atutu ego atutu small chef ze na ndị Igbo to na ntụtụ bụ ego 1 naira is money. That is why business people they get 10 naira when they carton of ngwaahịa. And plus swear ties how many cartons here obodo ego ka ị nwere 3 million achọrọ m ka anyị jụọ na ajụjụ ọfụma. I don't know how people are calling person out and down. Huh? And I'm on live. I will call back, please. And then beside I'm driving. Oh, yeah, thank you. Can I make a video analyze 3 million kg? Native doctor. 1. According to you, because I used to get Rosiaro, Ogahaga, the next thing I can go. 1, can I use our senses when I analyze every day? Because I try to make video 111. I try to make video in a live video so that can we get cover here off, man. Number 2 is the war protection. War protection against war protection of what? In a swori. Just buy in in a swori. Which protection that God cannot protect you? Over protection carrying in a kume, which protection? Kidari war 91 dibia. Did the kid narrow? How did you get the 10 million? What kind of protection can I walk? Against what? And at Amusu, in a sword, in a make it happen. Or can the police have you with the protection of what? I will not face Akwa. You could say this one, I will not face Akwa because I need to verify. I didn't be on no for you. Number 3 is the protection. Didn't he marry anywhere Piago Tare? People are that video about Jenny Tell I want to give him money. What is 3 million naira? Just what is just 3 million? What is 3 million? How much did Akwa give Galadima? What is 3 million? And I drag here, go and give him money. Did I say, Did I what is the Google? You tell the body be get out. Know your greediness. After all, you the pastor, that is why the Bararoka. Ndana will not say the truth. He just came pastor, another church again. No way better. It's 15 churches. That's really seed of it. Fire that boy. He must explain to us. If we manage the now let us use Zubi Michael as an example. A group of people they may prank to Zubi Michael. We are saying Zubi Michael. Zubi Michael, we are about self-defense. We were rotary. Fear the guy, fear Jaja. Before now, I got a prank. Before the boy now, before Zubi now jump to the prank. I hope the boy know it's a Aquara. Guinea mere Jpac or Number 4 question. Why did you hide your face? Because up to today, the boy and for you because of my free only the chacho. Only the assassin chacho. Didn't he made the Pagotare? Tell the Pagotarea. On the security job, Paragotare. Condres Paragotare. Didn't he made because there must be reason for that flogging. There must be reason for that flogging. You cannot just come to my house today, or other boys say, no, now. Okay, we hear me. I'm not going to go to the camera. I'm going to know powerful. I keep on saying it. Unless you know the prank, you know the bad. But as long as he goes through, this for protection. After all, are you not alive? After all, where then do you wanna? Also defend the other side of the after all, where then do you? So that means all go now. All protection is protecting you. You never die. Protection of what in a zoo? But a job that I won't go tomorrow for protection. God is the one protecting me. Today. Enough free. Oh, when another person more for ever here, then I wear lock and John Deloco. One other thing they call good protection. When you come to the so protection of what? I'm not joking. Not George. Okay, put in a live video. They have live videos because I like it. Oh, I'm not because no one did them. About the GO. But who not away video Peter B. Kucharogu, Kusiogu, say that. No president, no can I get make you bam bam. Whatever night vigil, turn here to factory. What do I like a blog that video? That video can never trend because as long as there no catch that video of it can never make a wave. I'm not against native doctor. The blogger idiots, they bought the video. Idiot bloggers, they bought the videos most. No, sorry, video can never trend. You know about Edajo, check over. Akwa Okuko where they got here. And block one get a WhatsApp, block one get everywhere. And then you go for what? Thunder fire you and fire generation. Get it arrow. Before that money will be given to you, you must show us your face. Kamari Bonyo, nobody coming is an under kidnapper. When you say Jesus, I am a he hide the eye hoogie. Now, I said, able for protection of what? Make nobody talk nonsense. So You join my video. Go ahead cover your face. With a picture, cover who. Only got a go. Are you a scammer? You will get you. Only got account. I send the Diego. Get the face. I get Diego. You people don't know how to analyze video. Yes, I need the 3 million, no problem. But show us your face. Can I feel who you are? Diego. Yeah, I need account number. You make the evidence. Get evidence. Get alert. Get sleep. If the very dark man want to investigate case, he able to in a video. Okay, where the video like that. Okay, able to jog sleep. He where they go, yeah, the aka, buy the Diego, get video. You want a video as evidence. He with a 3 million naira and yeah, where water will thunder fire you. Eddie Gogi, you are a fool. You are hiding your face. Now say I need 3 million. Give one maybe the you zoom a share money. I want to pay. If that I say I can 3 million, what is 3 million? Before my very face, I'm edge of the pay one galani Ofuehi na 5 million no de Corotorono. Oh, if Ofuehi na 5. So what is 3 million? What is 3 million, if I may ask? Some people don't know how to analyze video because now Akwa is a scammer. Yes, over scammer. We put evidence in the scam. Okay, I go follow Dragon. Akwa scam. Okay, with evidence, I go follow Dragon to the last. Oh yeah, but in Africa, but there's your actually post in a man scam or money. Oje would sleep, but some they go now where just like going. Yeah, quite a more than 9 million naira, put you the money. I'm back away, okay, man. I know good man would let the sleep. Bring the sleep, the teller. Agent not over the 3 million. Or you remain silent forever. Every day you open mouth and talk rubbish. You become deaf and dumb for life. That's why I do my own thing. I want to with Diego, did it all okay? Protection order in a sword. What do you do for a living? It's now the 3 million naira or Seneca walk on like a homa. I'm going for case. I'm a easy. Waju, I brugo, I will go to remember. Only 2 corners that I will reply to last. I've already sorted I want to shut up. Have to say this case, come on the game. The public of AJ, police. Security. You must tell us what you do for a living. If you tell ID card, if I will pay. I will pay. But you must provide the sleep. One, provide what you do for a living. Two, provide your face. Don't be a faceless idiot. They brought a faceless blogger. You know, go say I like emotional blackmailing the feelings. Can I right? Oh, this poor boy. You don't ask the poor boy, you don't ask the criminal. Get it go mere who not that judge to do the same simple. The blocker for that had judge to do the same simple. Get it from mere one. Get it for a living. Two. Uncle Guinea can have borrowed in a zoo in a room money. It's a borrow protection. Yeah. Okay. It's a little way, baby. So that I buy it with Nana. No, now. So that I buy it with Nana. Why is the reason why EGJ a Tare, according to you, Seneca or Pierre, almost sure. Now comments nonsense. These are get on a time. Only for Facebook, here you go ahead. You don't go touch me. Only for Facebook rants, you go and I don't read your comments. Any negative comment, I don't go read them. Then if I get time to open my page and read comments, I see nonsense, I block you because I have never posted it one day making people to follow me. Now what did they do? You don't like, let me they follow me. So I'm going to make the here and I like us even them. I'll follow me. Nigeria is too hard. Country is too hard. For person to beg person to follow person. If I don't do what no please you, oh follow me immediately. No waste time. And save yourself from BP. Whatever then I call Jabarata. 3 million. obere nwa dị ka gị na-achị ya ọgwụrụ aka ozu maka ya 3 million i were 3 million naira buru kulele bita maka ihe eje buru odogwu ewu i were 3 million naira invest ya na kulele buru kulele as a distributor na-ere bebe shop na kiosk emekwana ga iwe 3 million naira kwenye na kulele na ga-ebi iwu ahịa 6 million at least shop ga-eju within 1 month eburu odogwu anyị emere gị advert maka ego dị ihe nwetara aka anyị ebe wagaji ibe tie ahụ okongwu ibe tie ahụ mmụọ tie ahụ ọzọ iwo ndị tie ahụ mbe ife anyị tie ahụ bịa mere gị burutere gị ọnọdụ n'ahịa 3 million naira ịzụrụ ife ma ya ego one ka okongwu ibe ji were eburu kulele na-ere na-eme ekike echere 3 million naira jenyebe mmadụ. You are a greedy idiot. You are a fool. Now people like you, they chop Bahobansa, chop you well. Idiot. And they go. Obere one can. Can shop okay? Tell us that the rest of Bani here na raise that 3 million. They need to call EFCC on you, arrest you. If I were Akwa, for that case, I go carry that boy straight. Opportunity to carry the boy. Because the boy knows in the lie. That is why he go hide in face. Carry picture, block it in face. I go carry you one touch. My boy be aware the 3 million. Maybe with the 3 million also. A broom straight. He would over. He got go in here now. Each way with the 3 million. Now this Tinubu regime. He must provide the statement of the account. Come on in our informant. Onyohi, or boy, I kidnap all my water, and you be share. Kedri in our body in our each with the 3 million naira because all of them with 3 million naira. Jaguar, when extra 10 million account. That is not your last money. All of them Riobi, with 3 million naira, can with extra 4 million because now 3 million naira best selling go all agree to settle from your money. You are Jaguar. So you can never tell me no your last money they are. You would go to account. So get the arrow. Oh no, he won't idiot. People are not comment nonsense. Comment rubbish now that on that Bob Bogie there. You know what analyze video well. Because I got a father. Because I got a very calm. I don't know why that boy they very calm. I get that calm on the way get it they calm. More than half of it, we go to 3/4 of it. He be a dragon like that. Guy, he could regret ever coming out for this life. Make it with last strength. No be small one. I talk about this will be. Case will be to spend their 4 million naira only to arrest me. 4 million to arrest me. Doesn't even arrest. I did not put 1 naira. More because of contact. So you will say, I'm if I don't get contact now, by now I am in prison. Kamadi yaba wore afagara, and I'm one as a baratule, arrow. And we made it. That corrupt nonsense. I go arrest that boy straight. Because I don't my case. Show your face, Osbo, pull it straight. Oh, my able to zone 13. You see my mail was prepare. Who put just straight about that grand prison. You see how trouble you. You know, people when they come and say, may they see the boy face. Abuja come and see the straight. Just show your face on that video. AC, 3 million naira, thunder fire you. Just show your face on that video. Came out a brook in the next minute. He provide the hair out. Oh, video when was supposed to go viral. Now that they bring out, it will go viral. Video when anything now that they bring, it will go viral. But I'm keeping the big guru. Now they make charges. When I told her to factory, oh, that one not go now because video be a quarter. Okugaro, they make a factory able to see in because 99.9% of churches in Nigeria go merchandise. Business centers everywhere. Business centers. What are you to whatever I'm or one prayer he gave me. Go for a healing. Open our business, give them as a church. Why do you host program Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday? So Nigeria got a problem. So Nigeria got a marital problem, marital issue. Team in Nigeria, Union in Nigeria, Nigeria we don't get water. Nigeria we don't come mini. One Nigeria we don't marine kingdom. We don't have water to compare Australia. We don't have water to compare Asia. We don't have Antarctica Ocean. Even the country when the Bermuda Triangle had a marital problem. Country when the Bermuda Triangle had a marital problem. Country with the center of Mojo had a marital, no ministry. Had a marital problem. So Nigeria want a million Banajas also. Na million Obosi, na million Bo, na million Yowo Debe. Almost small rivers. When I buy a can and we 3 million as a wine. Only in an Igbo. 3 million as a wine. Na small river. There's a wine they boy. Pastors are they boy. The whatever this are they boy. Everybody why you. Oh you your mama. That doesn't no provoke me. Come on 1 year ago now. My work that about this year. I want to get no, the highest book we want. Person way, no, person way, when no show your face. If he did proud now, I'm not the proud of Nahera. No, the ocean, no, in the night vigil, the Bible, what on one about the night vigil. They're proud, Jeoka, not only, yes, oh, you got fake. I say, I beg you, say, Wednesday. Kebi gara na nke ebe monso or they proud kwuo na o jere nke ebe monso they proud kwuo na o jere Zion they proud kwuo na o jere ebere ịghọtara. So why won't you be proud na ijere ebe dibia? Show your face. Don't cut go then leave am ụmụ bingo ka akwa nwa je weta ego ka mma na erigo akwa ịma na egwu na wayo somebody that corrugate your lie falsify your lie corrugate your fee you butere gị amamo nke agara office it's online we really akwa face 3 million. Show your face to see who you. If you are a man, if you are short of maybe show. You don't want to show your face. If you want to collect money, push your account, you want to collect the money. Because you can't get another Diego. I can't get a cane. I can't get away with it. Is that guy, but I'm no man. Why not? Because if I can my face in the video, use your face now. That's the way we won't give you money. You don't go know the account where you go pay money. You don't go know who you go give money. So I'm not going to say, agent go, agent over. One more agent. I better go to the Guinea. Go so why your face. Onye ebe ka ebo, onye amụrụ gị, Igbo onye Igbo, Igbo onye Hausa ka Calabar, ka Igbo onye Hausa mụtara Igbo, ka ebe gị, ka village ka ije jụọ ese. You are hiding from your village people so that they will not be seeing you as onye na-agwọ ọgwụ. You are hiding from your village people so that half your face na ga say, okay, give one be akechi anyị, okay. Can't after that, so we catch the whole entire family. It's all after that, so you're not proud of what we're not going to. Go see Rugi. My concern with your face. Because Rugi, I will call Akwa. See ya. Here's your good angel. Now, yeah, I don't know. But we're at $3 million in there now. Don't go see you. I'll be done there because see Asuki. What do you have Asuki? Anybody can bring his back to see how it happened. And I go. People that are analyzing video, I balance the video. I don't want to analyze video. echere si Igbo eziokwu. Is it because na Bible small boy enwe ego? We are not going to go. My brother, balance. I think you would have come to this live video. Let us debate on this. Balance na or because now about 27 years ago, it's getting grow billionaire. In a way, I know go turn by turn. Don't have to do that. Who else you go? I'm going to pastor. Can't humiliate like this. I go come out talk up. The highest thing people go talk say, Jpac. That is language I want from people. Jpac forget the person. I will come out, speak for him. I will still come out, speak for the person. You know, because the people are passing. Boy, I said, no, they did it. Evangelist again, Kuoku, Deàth, say no spirit of anointing. Your own evangelist Kuoku, but when you make testimony, maybe say go on arranging Kega. It's in Bahapwe, no, also DJ illustration. Bahaboro illustration, KGM, Maradida Kuzian K, Aboro Yohin, if I can ever condemn more, the other man, better know Noka, just Uji, and Doka Mari, yeah, and see, I'm what I get. That's what you know, or beg you, or beg you. You see, when I'm Noka, or beg you, Doka Mari, yeah, people support to her. Now, Ramaraga, Mowaga, Banya. Next time you mind your business. I supported that Doka today because it's a rope. And save it. So the same way is support one support what is very one. The only way you want to collect 3 million, just come out play. Was in Yagaka. Only na Yagaka where the money on Yagi. Oh, the money making you let it go.